Hey, thanks for tuning into your review channel. So today you stopped in this video because you want to learn how to export your video to YouTube in a much better way so YouTube can actually process your video and get those 4K and 6 and 8K videos out there much faster. So we were doing it all wrong. And I just learned this myself, so I wanted to make a video and just teach you. So what you want to do is once you're done with your project, you can see here on the timeline, just hit the export button, and most likely all of us are hitting the YouTube, Facebook, but that's what Final Cut Pro told us to do. But that is wrong. It is a .movie file, and you don't want to use a .movie file. You want to use an MP4 file. The reason why is because YouTube really uses MP4, and so it has to take that .movie and reconvert it to MP4, then basically converts it to the high definition, then 4K and so forth. So it takes them a long time. It can take them 2 or 3 days to get it out there, and sometimes people are getting really frustrated. So since I've been doing it this correct way, I'm getting my 4K content out there within a few hours instead of a few days. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So what you want to do, again, hit that export button like I showed you on top here, and you want to hit the default button. Now the default button gives you some different options available. As you can see here, go to settings. Most likely it's going to be on audio video. Again, .movie, you're going to say, well, I don't want that. I really want MP4. So to get the MP4, you just hit the format drop down and go to computer. When you go to computer, it automatically does MP4 right here. So this is a larger file, so 2.8 gigs you can see here, but this is almost 20 minutes long of a tutorial. So that's what we're focusing on. We're focusing on the encoding. So the reason why you want to export this here, so YouTube can encode this much faster and then convert it to 4K quickly. This is why you do this. So this is how you want to export all your content. You want to use this setting here. It's the easiest and fastest way. So the only way to access it is just click on the right here and hit the file default, or you can just save that, and when you go down there and you can actually save it into your file itself like I did here. I just have YouTube video, which is the exact same thing as that last thing. I just named it and saved it. So you can see here it's a computer, MP4, and ready to go. And how do you do that? Really simple. Click on this drop down, add destination, and you'll see the different files here. So export files is the one you want to use. You just want to drag that over here just like that and rename it. And then you can just set up the settings like I showed you before. And that's all you have to do. It saves it here automatically. There's nothing else to do. And that's it. All right, guys. So I hope you learned how to export your videos to YouTube much faster. It'll be much better. Believe me, be very happy. Leave some comments down below if this works for you and how good it is. Because I'm telling you, it's really huge. It's awesome. It really works perfectly. It's much faster and it just converts them within a few hours. And that's really what you're looking for. They get the high quality content out there quickly. And that's what this does. All right, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It does help my channel. As you all know, I do all types of tutorials, as you all know, and I'll leave some videos on top of this. All the cards will be popping up right about now on about Final Cut Pro. So if you want to learn a little bit about that, check out these other videos right here. You'll learn something, and also let me know. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also hit that super thanks in the bottom if you found this video helpful and I was able to teach you a few things. It does help support my channel so I can keep doing what I'm doing. All right, guys, I appreciate it. I'll see you at the next one.